Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, we got a pasture-raised egg. We got some sourdough bread. A couple of sliced dill pickles. That's a slice of Havarti. That's mustard. That's mayo. A little pepper and some butter. Hey, Mike Foster here. Guess what? It's another simple fried egg over toast recipe. Now this one, of course it's simple, but these combinations work. Mustard, mayo, Havarti cheese, pickles, and a fried egg on top. Sounds crazy. Guess what? It's killer diller. Check it out. Check how easy it is to make. I'm gonna pop that toast down and I'll meet you at the stove. All right, we've got a medium pan. Let's toss some butter in. All right, let that melt. All right, let's drop the egg in. Oh, is that a beautiful looking egg? All right, a little pepper. All right, it's ready for a flip. All right, broke a little, shut it off. Let's put this baby together. Start off with a little mayo. This is gonna be kind of like almost like a deviled egg vibe. Mustard. All right. Here's the secret. You put the Havarti down, then you flip it like this. After you put the pickles right here. And then this part is covered. Then just a little bit more mayo, a little bit more mustard. All that's left is that beautiful egg, and there it is. All right, still got some goop in there. Let's finish this baby off with a little pepper. All right, can't wait for a big bite. Let's get a little close-up of it as I cut into that. Everybody ready? Oh yeah. There it is. There's your close-up. Big bite coming up. All right, there it is again. I'm ready for a big bite. All right, you can see the pickle. That's what she said. Here it is. The mayo, mustard and pickle. It comes through. The egg is perfect. The toast is great. Say goodbye to half. That's a sweet bubble. Hope you like my simple recipes. Especially the egg. Yeah. Over toast. I've got a bunch now. Check them all out at Live Life 365 at YouTube. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
After that part, no one sees this part. Oh, all right. Oh. Great way to start the day. If you're in a pickly kind of mood. I'm in a pickly mood. I'm looking at the hockey right here. It's the playoffs. Go Knights, go. Baba. Hope I wasn't being rude to anybody.